All right, hey guys, so we're working on this beautiful 68 C10 for Raul. What's up, Raul? And we're upgrading the stereo. The stereo was done quite a bit ago, but it was not done spectacular with the best equipment. So we're going to take care of that for him by upgrading the equipment, the installation, everything. So we're adding kick panels. Before there was this box, I don't know if you can see that right there, just kind of bolted to the dash with the speakers firing at the floor, and it had no tweeters. All it had were those Pro Audio mid-range drivers, and so there was no high end. So now we're gonna replace it. We're adding these kick panels, which were normally just plastic. They're actually retro sounds, but what we do is we carpet them and then we deaden them so that it helps with the sound, and they'll fit right into the vehicle and look more like they came with the vehicle. We're actually using these particular speakers because if you use anything deeper, you have to cut the sheet metal, and obviously on this beautiful truck, last thing we want to do is cut the sheet metal. We're also adding a pair of 4-inch where the stock speaker, the stock center speaker would have been. We'll show you some picture overlays of that. And then he's gonna have a radio in it, but we're gonna stream audio directly to the amplifier. We are not gonna run the radio at all. He's gonna use his phone as the source. So from his phone, he'll be able to use Pandora, Spotify, his music library, everything right from the phone itself. And the nice thing about that is it allows us to hide all the gear. So you won't be able to tell that the car has a system, obviously, other than the kick panels. And also we're gonna add a enclosure behind the seat. So we'll have a box back there for a single 10. And lastly, we're gonna add an epicenter. Epicenters are great for certain kinds of music. There's a lot of music that is recorded without bass. Older music, Spanish music, old rock. And what the epicenter does is it allows us to introduce bass where there isn't any. So it basically makes the music sound better, and you're able to adjust the effect, the amount of effect that has. So it makes a huge difference depending on the type of music that you listen to. Stay tuned for more updates.